Cold sores can be a pain, and if you've ever had one, there's always a chance they could come back. Herpes simplex 1, the virus behind cold sores, is a stubborn little guy. He lies dormant in your nervous system until he's triggered, and then he multiplies, causing outbreaks. While you can't get rid of him completely, you can avoid certain triggers to minimize your risk of cold sores. The most common triggers are sunlight or tanning beds, cold weather conditions, pregnancy or menstruation, fever, cold or flu, dental treatment or injury to the lips or gums, laser skin treatments, and food allergies, to name a few. Before you can see a cold sore, there are prodromal symptoms. These can range from tingling, numbing, itching, burning, or even pain on or around the lips. Remember, these symptoms are like an early warning system that can alert you to the onset of a cold sore and the beginning of the infectious period. When you feel a cold sore coming on, try to retrace your steps. Think of any of the common triggers you may have been exposed to. By identifying these triggers, you can learn to avoid them in the future. Brought to you by Polysporin Cold Sore Healing Patch.